Hello. In this lesson, we will introduce you to Secure Access Service Edge, SASE, and explain how. SASE is a technology that combines network as a service with security as a service capabilities. SASE is delivered through the cloud as an as-a-service consumption model to support secure access for today's distributed and hybrid enterprise networks. Network security is a top priority for most organizations. However, new challenges have emerged. Rapid and disruptive digital innovation has brought on an expanding thin edge defined by small branch locations that are attached to the core network. A growing amount of off-network users accessing the central data center. A challenging user experience for off-network users. An expanding attack surface. Multi-level compliance requirements. And increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. As work environments have evolved, so too have user behavior and endpoint protection requirements. Users no longer access information from a dedicated station within a predefined network perimeter confined to a corporate office. Instead, users access information from a variety of locations, such as in the home, in the air, and from hotels. They also access that information from different devices, such as desktop workstations, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. Adding to this network complexity is the rise of Bring Your Own Device, where users access enterprise systems through personal devices that are not part of the enterprise infrastructure. Organizations today require that their users have immediate, continuous secure access to network and cloud-based resources and data, including business-critical applications, regardless of location, on any device and at any time. Organizations must provide this access in a scalable and elastic way that integrates thin-edge network sites and remote users into the central infrastructure, and that favors a lean, operational as a service model. Finding solutions that meet these requirements is challenging. The reasons for this are clear. While networks have evolved to support the workflows for remote endpoints and users, many outdated network security solutions remain inflexible and do not extend beyond the data center to cover the ever-expanding network perimeter, and therefore the attack surface. With the advent of new thin-edge networks, this challenge is exacerbated. Secondly, these solutions to converge networking and security oversight require that all traffic, whether coming from thin-edge locations or off-network users, runs through the core data center for inspection. This results in high cost, complexity, elevated risk exposure, latency, and a poor user experience when accessing multi-cloud-based applications and data. Finally, the multi-edge network environment of today has exposed the limitations of VPN-only solutions, which are unable to support the security, threat detection, and zero-trust network access policy enforcement present at the corporate on-premise network. VPN-only solutions cannot scale to support the growing number of users and devices, resulting in inconsistent security across all edges. A new scalable, elastic, and converged solution is required to achieve secure, reliable network access for users and endpoints. One which addresses the security of many hybrid organizations, defined by systems and users spread across the corporate and remote network. That solution is SASE. A SASE solution provides integrated networking and security capabilities, including peering, which allows network connection and traffic exchange directly across the internet without having to pay a third party. A next-generation firewall, NGFW, or Cloud-Based Firewall as a Service, FWAS, with security capabilities including intrusion prevention system, IPS, anti-malware, SSL inspection, and sandbox. A secure web gateway to protect users and devices from online security threats by filtering malware and enforcing internet security and compliance policies. Zero Trust Network Access, ZTNA, which ensures that no user or device is automatically trusted. Every attempt to access a system, from either inside or outside, is challenged and verified before granting access. It consists of multiple technologies, including multi-factor authentication, MFA, Secure Network Access Control, NAC, and Access Policy Enforcement. Data Loss Prevention, DLP, prevents end users from moving key information outside the network. These systems inform content inspection of messaging and email applications operating over the network. Domain Name System, DNS, which serves as the phone book of the Internet and provides SASE with threat detection capabilities to analyze and assess risky domains. These services deliver optimized paths for all users to all clouds to improve performance and agility, enterprise-grade certified security for mobile workforces, consistent security for all edges, and consolidated management of security and network operations. Although classified as cloud-based, there are common SASE use cases, which may require a combination of physical and cloud-based solutions. For SASE to be effectively deployed in this scenario, secure connectivity with network access controls must be extended from the physical WAN infrastructure to the cloud. For example, to roll out access to SASE at branch offices, you may see SASE reliant on physical networking appliances, such as wireless, LTE, and 5G, and wired Ethernet extenders or Wi-Fi access points. The goal of SASE is to support the dynamic, secure access needs of today's organizations. Proper SASE service allows organizations to extend enterprise-grade security and networking to the cloud edge, where remote off-network users are accessing the network, and the thin edge, such as small branch offices. Fortinet's cloud-based SASE solution is called FortiSASE. Thank you for your time, and please remember to take the quiz that follows this lesson.